I have no feeling.
No.
Just not going round here. I just want you happy. I just want you happy. If we go there tonight, tomorrow no come back.
If you're not happy, we can't happy. That's why we're stressed.
Yeah, that's why we're not going round. That's why we're not going round.
That's why we're stressed for you so much.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Man, I learn Scarborough. They can't do and not learn. Like
That today at 5 like you see. Today and the thing, the master not there. You want to make the students know sit down and do. That's not right. Yeah, something I do.
for real.
Yeah, man.
So you have to learn, I might as well, everything will make sense to you.
Everything. I tell a good life for me. Yeah.
Man have to learn and train.
Man I learn and skill and I do the right. Me say yeah. It all make sense and do it. You get me?
Yeah. Can you serve tell us you? I'm sorry that man never teach me a long time.
Alright. That children a long time we are polite about we get things we primary.
Yeah.
I always love it. I never seen a man in there.
Yeah.
No, no, play and sit down. Catch on when the fire there. When the man show it. That time I come and them too busy.
Yeah, sure.
And then program and take time up here warm. I don't have another hand carry on the people.
Yeah.
So that's dangerous drive.
True. Man can learn the skills.
Yes, man.
Tall P there, catch on.
Tall P I put on it from yesterday. See? And we have float it off and keep it there. While fire there and the feet.
Yeah. How much rice?
Come look for you again. Good evening.
Good evening.
Afternoon still.
Good evening.
Yes, good evening. Come look
evening.
again.
You know like wear slippers, mama?
Yeah, come here.
slippers.
Last video me here ask for your slippers.
You see your slippers, right? They say they see them place.
Yeah, go wear your slippers because sometimes the dirt add in some of the insect and thing. And you want to get up in your foot. Yeah.
Put on slippers. Put on slippers.
Sure.
Should I like slippers?
Yeah, just put it on
Just
for
put
the
it
minute.
on the meantime.
Put on your slippers, at least.
Yeah.
That time. Couple minutes, yeah?
Just push it in there, mama.
Come on.
Good.
Alright.
Mama, what are you doing today?
I'm very
Tired. Alright, so I'm not gonna have you for too long then. Like you want to lay down. So me and Marley is here. Marley, you know everybody is here and it's
I'm back again on the road, not the first time, but I know all talk. Alright? Yeah.
so Marley is here and she bring a donation for you from
my friend Pauline and Danny Gill from New Brunswick, New Jersey. That's in America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna contribute towards the material for when time we're gonna start the work. One of the back one is up on your house. Where?
You want it in here, sir?
No, but can't in here so because when this come down.
No, other people
listen to me.
No. Mama, remember your family? We go around here with the secretary and I must say we could have built it at the back. Because if the house built here, when this will come down, it's have a problem. Because this is going to fall down from the house.
Them don't like me.
We're at the back, all the way at the back.
Just stay by myself. Okay. Keep this up for myself.
So,
Them do not like me. And when nobody down in you, you don't put up yourself with them. You just quiet and feel by yourself.
but mama, but the house can't build right here so before this because this will eventually, if it fall, to fall down upon the house.
And they're going to waste some money.
And you know what that problem. So that's what.
Alright.
Yeah, so we are trying to work out the best solution for you.
You can keep yourself to yourself.
Yeah.
As your house.
This is always locked up in the
Because remember, you know, it's all the way at the back. If you know where it is. You know where it is? No, she never come today. You want to bring her around here for show you? Alright, come walk with her and show her. She's probably at
I'll feel comfortable.
Yeah. So she will give you some. Come mama. Come on. You not like running so man?
No. Papa got with the arm behind my brain.
See, so she'll tell me that she don't want the running so. There is no other spots that we know. Because around here so we will come and say.
And as Mickey said, should I then hear our grandson? That we say in the night, anything I shall come.
So she don't want to live around here so. So I wish part of the house I got built then. We have difficulty.
Can't get nowhere else round the building.
No, because through the house there so. And
This house.
So I got him a try to show you that this is a push down.
Yeah.
It has a drop on yours for all the years of the yard.
Kino go work out something for you.
Well, we're in a difficult situation now. Because you're saying I want to build around here so. And your grandson live around there so man.
Because if some empty in at night, you can call upon your grandson.
Yeah, because
Alright, nobody cry. Nobody cry. I'm grown. Alright. Nobody cry. You want to move?
yeah,
It's got,
but,
yeah.
yeah, because if the house build so, and when this will come down, it will come down from the house. Yeah, because if it's pushed down, it will come down from the house. Because now I can push from in here, so because the house got in here so already. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah. When I'm ready to build the house, yeah. Push down this step and no, I know Kino go do it, you know.
I know.
The municipal government.
Yeah, I would don't know when they're gonna do that.
Go around there. We're not going around here. I know, I'm building something. Me now go around there. You know what they name your grandson? This grandson. Them say your grandson.
Say grandson.
Him grandson in a wilderness. Me a idiot, no offense. You think me a idiot? No, I'm not saying that, but I think I want to hear your grandson.
Yeah, which my family.
Alright, Makina, you son can work on the logistics. You know, you don't want to spend on thing and then it's another problem.
Yeah.
It would be something with somebody, but yeah, get it definitely for she. So you want to know so she comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she not come and she said she not comfortable around there, so and nothing can build in that yard here and the government got this will come down. If it do come down, you understand?
In case we cut it through whenever time you're ready for this, cut it.
Cut your move.
Cut your move.
No, them are
So I'm just sit here. Yes, sir.
Drop down.
I got drop down.
Yeah, listen to me. Let me talk. What happened to you?
Just explain to you and say the building it will come down. Cause you tell already are far down.
Building.
This building where you
They
say
say you want to tear down. Then when me left in that old building there and come out here, so me have to still go back in there.
No, you're not going in there. That's why I want to build a spot where you're not moving from. That's what I try to explain
your
to you.
place.
Your place, right? You know, this is a drop down. We don't want to drop in the house where we're going to be here.
The new house.
So we have got a better spot where you're comfortable, where we can build. No, I understand you. We are saying.
So right now we're not
the space.
the space is. So right now we're in a difficult situation with this right now. I understand.
Mommy, you know what, in there and it drop down.
And you know what, another house and it drop down.
Drop down and then everybody says,
And then again, we don't want to put the ears on one time, them come for come round.
And them lick that and like, oh yeah, drop back way over here.
Of course, because I only way to go, because remember, you know, if the house in here, so them can't come in here and push it forward. So it have to go.
And Kino, whoever gonna get the contract for lick down the house, when them come with them bulldozers and whatever, them just come to do them work.
Yeah.
Them not care what in the way. With a man, boy, woman, child, dog, puppy, cat, them say, wait, you know, cut you. Yeah. I don't cut you. Yeah. Yeah, so. Yeah. Over there, so, it's better, yeah, so.
Because that's safer, because you know,
That's
in a
safer
danger.
from this.
Round there, so you're not going
danger.
Yes, so Miss Joyce, you don't really understand it. In a danger, Miss
Yes,
Joyce.
so.
Whenever time them come to come tear down this house, I free for build a house here, so everything can pollute by you. Because by tearing it down, you can get affected in here. So the better thing for we do, we just build something round this so we don't in a no farmer danger. Your grandson.
Which grandson?
What one of them name? Little and like or what? So where your grandson then? Boy.
Boy.
You better make up. No, you better make tape on this sidewalk. No, you can't. Better not go on the sidewalk. No. Man, go around this side. I listen to something now, guys. You see what Kino is doing? Kino is running the program and he's soliciting donations. So he have to have the thing laid out. So when the people them see and say, alright. When the government come, he look place to fuck me. Me not going around there. But remember, they want to tear down a tree. They tear down one. Alright, she said whatever, so.
Well, we can't do nothing at the minute.
Yes.
Because Which part with the plan for do it, she don't want to go there, so and we can't do it here so because of the situation of this building.
Yeah.
So it's like we're in a predicament right now where we don't know what to do because we can't really do anything.
And yeah, solicit the donations and I could build a house, you know, and the people that I said, this is what we are doing, and yes, we're going to build a house in Peking.
Alright, just from the plan, still. And I did me alright.
But I go cry. We're not thinking about that right now. Yeah? We want you happy right now. Kino gonna make you happy right now. I'm gonna bless you. Alright?
Alright, so
alright.
As I said,
Smile. Kino gonna bless you.
As I said, people right now we're in a difficult situation. Which part we say we're gonna build a house for Miss Joyce. She don't want to go around there, so right now, I don't really know what to do. You understand? Because if she not comfortable around there, so you know, I not see the sense, and she can't stay in here, so neither.
Yeah.
You understand? So right now, I'm getting confused because before when we said we're gonna build it around here, we never bring her around here for she see where we're gonna build it. So like now, she see where we're gonna build it. She said she don't want to go around here. And when we get to find out is our grandson live around there and she don't want to live next to our grandson.
And nobody knows the reason why.
You see me? And nobody knows the reason why. And he can't build in the yard here, so it's probably there because this building will collapse, probably collapse from the house. And we don't have nowhere else, like no space where we could have built.
Another thing too, Kino, whoever them get the contract for come tear it down, when them come, them not gonna lick off one block. Them will come with the machinery and them will tear it down. And like you say, Kino, it don't make sense build up something else and something come down on it. That's the whole purpose of getting us somewhere to live. Yeah.
So, with a difficult situation. I understand, because she don't want to go around there.
So now as we want to come take it out of this situation, you are trying to change your mind.
No, I'm not changing my mind.
But Miss Joyce, look here, you cannot stay in this.
Why?
You can't stay in there.
The building is
But
falling
you don't must stay in there.
So when you...
Find the sidewalk.
But
No,
we
you
can't
can't
afford
afford
to use
and
up on the
look,
sidewalk.
let me tell you another scenario, Miss Joyce. If government come tear down the building and you don't have anywhere to go, they will pack you up and put you in one of them. The home them. I'm sure you don't want in another home, you want to find your own. They're not going to leave you on the sidewalk because it's going to look good and bad on the government. They're going to put it in a one.
So Miss Joyce, so why you don't want to live around here, so? Why you don't want to live around here?
I don't know. My mind just torn from them. Me don't go around there, you know. Me live here and see over, so can't go home out here. And me never go, the person go around there. Sorry.
So people, the owners and the viewers there, I say this is the situation we're in right now is Miss Joyce. You understand? Because you can't build in the yard, so because the building is going to collapse.
Yeah.
You understand? So we don't really know what to do. We don't know what to do. So we have to just pray and hope for the best.
Yes, and hope
and
that
ask Father God for guide,
changes. Yeah.
Father God guide and protect her, you know, and until then, after this building come down and whatsoever gonna done with it, then we can try to sort out something. But at the minute it's impossible to build something where she don't want to go.
Yeah.
And then again we don't have no space there, so we can't carry.
And we don't have no space. Because you see we have...
Where? You make up on the side.
Right, we pass that, you know, go on the side.
Me not go around there.
Mama,
Going around there.
Evict you and put you on the sidewalk. Because number one, it's going to look bad for them. None of them, not care how wicked them is, them not doing it. Them can't do it. Number one, the community would not allow that either. The community would not allow it. Yeah. Alright, we don't want nobody out here no more, okay? So, that's the way you do nobody out here.
Alright, Miss Joyce, we're not going to build it around here then, since you don't want. So we have to just wait and see what come up.
We can find another
I will just pray and hope for the best so nothing happen. You understand?
So much
Stress on my head.
yeah.
I have no feeling.
No.
Just
No.
not going round
We
here.
understand,
You
Mama.
want you happy.
If God-
You must want you
Who are you
happy.
happy?
Say, if we go there tonight, tomorrow no come back.
If you're not happy, we can't happy. That's why I was stressed.
Yeah, that's
You
why we're
understand
not
me?
going round. That's why we're
That's
not
why we
going
are stressed. We get
Because if you
somewhere.
notice-
If you're not happy, we're not
Right,
happy.
because you notice Kino have the last say and he's trying to make you happy. Yeah.
me want to
Yeah, and we don't want that.
feel good.
Yeah.
But we
don't
just
want
not
that.
going round here.
Alright, alright. Alright
Now
then.
that's the way I'm going. Yeah. Yeah. Alright.
Alright,
Pass that
Michelle.
till
Pass
next time. Yeah.
No, next time me not going
No,
round
we're
here.
not
No,
going
we're
round
not
this.
at the round this song.
Mama, we're not talking more around this.
Tomorrow, put
Till
that
when,
pampers.
put that
Something
pampers.
better.
Yeah. Till when something
Because
better.
they say you want to go
We'll
round.
search and see if we can find
But
something
I'm going
better.
to show you somewhere.
Yeah. So no worry about, no worry your head about
Just never think more around this. Don't mess up.
Yeah.
There's no more around this.
Yeah.
Alright, Mama Joyce.
Mama.
We have a donation for you. No worry yourself.
Yeah.
We have a good donation for you.
Yeah.
I understand. So,
Nobody want no donation. Me want go on the road, man. Me want go on the road. Me want go on the road, go sit down on the road.
Right, cause a car.
Yes, yeah.
Let's talk to you.
Ronald, me not go on them. Me not go on the wilderness.
Come on.
Talk to me now. I mean, no, you can talk to me.
About what?
I don't know what you have worried on.
basically, yeah, she said she don't want, well, obviously this building, you know, it's going to collapse and thing. And before, we said we were going to build a house for her around there, so. And that will run our next to our grandson. Yeah. But we never bring her around there for sure, we're going to build it.
Okay.
So we explained to her, so we're building it on the back. And she said, okay, that's fine. But until then now, we come and she tell me that she want to build it in this yard. So I tell her, I say, yeah, through the building will collapse upon the house. So I tell her, I said, now I can't build it here, so. So I try to bring her for sure. Wait there.
See if you build the house here, son.
Hold on, what?
Yeah, listen to me. Right. Yeah, listen to me.
Me I hear, but me not going.
You're not going this son. Why you're not going this son?
Me not going. Daddy, you know, for me knows the family there. With the aunt and brother too.
No, we're not talking about that history, you know. We're not talking about that. We're talking about your safety, them dead. Yeah, you're alive.
Them around there.
Besides Joe dead, my aunt dead.
No, me not talk with them again. You say no, I hear again.
No, we want to hear, but we don't want to hear about aunt and Mr. Joe. We don't hear about the dead people.
Wait. If you go in that day, place around there.
Yeah.
Alright.
I whisper.
Me no know.
Come in short. Come with me.
Lord Jesus
Come now.
Christ.
Come now.
We just carry her around there while and she said she don't want to go around
No,
there.
man, Mr. Giles, but this is the house built here, so this is going to collapse and drop down by and kill the house. We don't want that. We'll just stay there for the time being until when things work out. But you can't stay here, so Mr. Giles. This is going to tumble down by you and fall down and kill you in there. So here with me, sir, the house will run itself for the time being. You understand me? And then we come back after them. You understand? Alright, just here for me. Yeah. My safety, you understand me?
See, she keep on saying she not go around there.
So it's where you're staying? Can I say, what I say?
What's your name? Tell her the government not going to put her on the side, but they're going to put her in our home.
Yeah.
I'm sure you want your freedom. If you're going to home, you know freedom, you know, mommy. You have to go to bed when them tell you. So you can't put your little food and all of that.
So
we're not going to force you to go around there, so yeah? We're not going to do that. So this morning, come here, Marley.
Yeah. Where
they can't deal with the thing.
So what happened here? This morning that we get for your materials, towards the material, as I said, the house now can build, yes or no. So it's kind of going to depend on pause and we are hope and pray. Because they don't want to go around there and it seems like it has stressed you out even more.
We don't want you dead.
Yeah, so what happened is there? Miss Joyce.
Look on Kino. Kino I talk to you. We not talk about round the side. Different thing with them now.
Different something.
Yeah.
We not put it around the like what your choice. We give you your choice.
Yeah, we're gonna make you happy.
We're gonna make you happy.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Alright. So just come and listen what Kino say.
Kino talk to you. Yeah. You are smile, Mama. Alright? You can't from your job. I bless you. Yes, we understand.
Alright, you're not going around there.
You're not going around there.
We're not going to force you to go around there.
We can't force you to do something you don't want to do. Okay.
So, Marie, she bring a gift for you. Someone just kindly just accept it. She's here. Yeah. So, Marie, what's in the bag?
Hold on. Alright, we'll bring a little slippers for you. Little bed slippers you can wear in the house. And we'll bring on this sweater. This yellow. Okay. We'll bring this little chilling slipper. You can wear it. I'm gonna have a little dress too. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this dress to there. Right.
A donation from Pauline and Danny Gale from New Jersey. Yeah. Sorry, 28,000 from Pauline and Danny Gale towards the materials. But at the minute, we're not gonna do anything yet. During time you're satisfied and ready. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make liquor. Keep this donation for you, and she's gonna come and assist you with anything you need, so you know so the money is gonna be safe and in a safe hands for you. Yeah. So I make little count the money for you.
And give you.
Little count the money for you and hold out your hand, Miss Joyce.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,000.
So that is from Pauline and Danny Gale from New Jersey. And that's towards the materials.
Nico, do something, whatever, when Kino will know what to do. Alright? We never want to talk about. You understand, Nico?
What's going to happen, we're going to make Lico keep the donation for you, and she's going to assist you in what you need. She'll come check up on you on a regular basis until when we can sort out a living condition for you, yeah?
And a place.
So, and a place, so.
Yeah.
So Lico, I'll give you a little change as well too. If you need like about 2,000 something,
2009.
Yeah.
She can buy anything what you need. So we keep on check on her and see what you really want and see that she alright and everything. She kind of under a little stress right now, so somebody there have to keep her.
Look, yes.
Check on her and her needs.
Yes.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.